In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Fortnite Chapter 7 freezing mid-game. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight in this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you always help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few things that you're going to want to do. The first thing is actually in your settings, so go ahead and open those up and go to the video tab right here and make sure that your window mode is set to full screen, not windowed full screen. Full screen gives you better performance and fewer stutters, so make sure you do that first. And after doing that, go ahead and adjust your frame rate to your monitor. If your monitor is 240 hertz like mine is, go ahead and set it to 240 hertz. This just keeps things smooth and prevents frame drops. And then from here, I would also recommend scrolling down a little bit and finding the option to turn on FPS, which is right here, show FPS. Just simply go ahead and turn this on because this can help you figure out if your issue is FPS lag or network and ping lag. From here, go up to the top and go to game. And what you're going to want to do is just choose the region that is closest to you. Now, for example, NA Central is the closest for me, so I'd set it to this. But don't leave it on auto. It can sometimes place you in the wrong region. Now, from here, if you have nothing heavy running in the background like games, editing, software, or big downloads, what you're going to want to do is exit out of Fortnite and open up that launcher and just hit the three dots next to Fortnite's name, hit manage, and then go into verify files. And this is just going to repair any missing or corrupt files. And after that, you should stop freezing mid-launch. But obviously, that only works if you are on PC. Everything else should have helped you if not. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.